Hey there, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something really special for you all. We'll be reviewing the Owl Vision 2 Pro Night Vision Binoculars. Now, I've been testing these out for the past few weeks, and let me tell you, these binoculars are an absolute game changer for anyone who loves exploring the great outdoors. So let's jump right into it. And remember, if you decide to get your hands on a pair of these, be sure to use the link in the description down below. So, the first thing I want to talk about is how much fun I've had using the Owl Vision 2 Pro. I took it with me on a camping trip, and it completely transformed my nighttime experience. I could see everything clearly, even in the darkest night. I was able to spot wildlife that I wouldn't have been able to see with my own eyes, and it made for a truly unforgettable experience. Another thing that really impressed me was the video and photo recording capabilities. I was able to capture some amazing footage of nocturnal animals in their natural habitat. It's a fantastic way to share your adventures with your friends and family, or to keep as a memento of your trip. And let's not forget about the practical side of things. These binoculars can be incredibly useful for nighttime navigation, especially if you're in unfamiliar terrain. I was able to spot trails and landmarks that I would have missed without the Owl Vision 2 Pro. It definitely added a level of safety and confidence to my nighttime excursions. So if you're someone who loves to explore the outdoors, especially during nighttime, the Owl Vision 2 Pro Night Vision Binoculars are definitely worth considering. They're a fantastic addition to your gear, and I guarantee they'll make your adventures even more enjoyable. Don't forget, if you're interested in purchasing a pair, be sure to use the link in the description down below to get the best deal. Alright, that's it for today's review. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or experiences of your own with the Owl Vision 2 Pro, be sure to leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome reviews and outdoor adventures. Until next time, happy exploring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.